In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Ringcentral voicemail quickly. If you rely on Ringcentral for business calls, staying on top of voicemail helps you respond faster and remain professional. Voicemail stores messages when you're unavailable, and with Ringcentral, you can listen on any device, read transcriptions if enabled, receive notifications by email or SMS, and even download or forward messages to teammates. The fastest way to check messages is inside the Ringcentral app. On desktop or the web, open the Ringcentral app or visit app.ringcentral.com and sign in. In the left sidebar, choose Messages, then open the Voicemail tab. Select any message to play it, download it, or delete it. If voicemail to text is enabled on your account, you'll see an instant transcription so you can scan the gist before you hit play. On the mobile app for iOS or Android, open Ringcentral, tap Messages, then Voicemail, and tap a message to play it instantly. A simple time saver here is the playback speed control. Bumping it up to 1.5x can help you clear your inbox more quickly while keeping everything understandable. If you're away from your computer, you can dial in. From your Ringcentral desk phone, dial *86. If prompted, enter your extension, then your voicemail PIN followed by the pound key. Use the prompts to manage messages. Press 1 to listen to new messages, 2 to save, 3 to delete, and pound to return to the main menu. From another phone, dial your Ringcentral main number. During the greeting, press *, then